If you want your ActiveCampaign automation emails to go out at a specific time, you can use a wait action with date and time conditions. In this video, I'll show you how to set it up step by step. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account and click Automations from the left-hand menu. Find the automation you want to edit and click Edit. Now, find the point in your workflow where you want to delay the next action. Click the plus icon, select Workflow, and then choose Wait. In the Wait settings, select Wait until specific conditions are met. Next, choose Date and Time from the condition options and select the appropriate time zone. Now set the time condition you want. For example, you could configure the automation to continue when the current time reaches 9 a.m. You can also add additional conditions if you only want the automation to continue on certain days, such as weekdays. Once your conditions are configured, click Save. Finally, make sure your automation is switched to active. From now on, contacts reaching this wait step will pause until your specified time conditions are met, and then the automation will continue to the next action. And that's how to send ActiveCampaign automations at specific times. If this guide helped you, consider subscribing for more ActiveCampaign tutorials.